Minister, you should look at the way you are behaving. Even sound like a minister. Can you imagine what you do in the common person? You can imagine how you do in the common person. And that's why you do the questions here. That's what will create the problem. I mean, even with your superiors, look at how you are arguing. There's a problem. There's a problem here. So if a commoner comes here, can you imagine what you How can somebody talk to this man here? How will he do it? How will he do it? There's a problem. You have the patience, look at the manners, and corrected all these things. I mean, you don't do this.
President has given him an assignment. President Namade Juma said on so when Tunye deliver, the president will sack him as the health minister. So he needs to also exert all the powers that he have to make sure say Ejuma na no Ejuma den edimu Emma president to keep on Emma Ghana for enya hoto. So at the end of the day, the CEO of Tamale Teaching Hospital, the health minister, powers of President Ramano was sacking the CEO. This is the kind of governance we need. Wait, Obibatana Bebiaka said this is not normal. It is not supposed to be done. What should be normal and what is supposed to be done? Sanka Rome ankon tokwa ankoku ankoje omanbia anka daben anka entokwa besima obi akwaje omanbi. Something needs to be happening at a point. And I am telling the health minister he should not stop there. Go to Konfanochi Teaching Hospital. That place is a death trap.
Greetings, fellow Ghanaians. Now, by memory, if you like a comment, now subscribe, mommy. The Chief Executive Officer of the Tamale Teaching Hospital, Dr. Atik Adam, has been dismissed by President John Mahama following reports of mismanagement and medical negligence that resulted in the death of a patient at the hospital. Now, Minister of Health, Kwabena Minka Akando, and we are now just about Tamale Teaching Hospital, our bra, onkra, now so okofu omumu. Wan kan kire omo se meba ana bibi nde ye omo fa atuye na kese okopie nsem bebre so ne me kese eniama ho niema ana kese okoye no okopie so wan kan na no antu no bo omode no confront omo ana sesia no e de nsem bebre aba na doctor no Atik Adam ana sesia no omampanyi Mahama ayi no ana nipo ode no ahya nan eye Bawa Abdullahi ono no the new CEO of Tamale Teaching Hospital. Now, Mamika Bibika graphic on now say, Mr. Akando expressed disappointment over the deplorable state of the facility and said patients deserved better. I must admit that the health workers are not working under an ideal situation. Irrespective of that, health professionals need to be tolerant, approachable, and respectful to patients. And the amene ya adwempa no kodu hospital, government hospital. Unti bibia se kra na bisa nurse ni bia nurse watu akosoro. Jese obetu fun ama. Jese ni ode be ye okra no. Okwa aye ntwiti wi ate ubi so bi asem na obonkomo na omiemia ni phone. So grofo bebre na ne complain ya. No maba social media no mo ba be defend omo ho. Ai say na patients ni bi no ma omo ye say na jese patients now about obu hoyare o nti meka jem so difficult. We a health worker say ohu say na ye krokro nipa eno we na untimi dia no akọ military ho de ye krokro obia e wo ho enti say see a Dr. Atik Adam ena ye yi no afi honom na ekoye nsem bebre say bu honom a obekọ no just say how say it is quite disheartening to hear that equipment such as CT scan and MRI have been done for about 6 years without maintenance. Now when no be on okone ka say CT scan na say MRI say na aban a wote so ye be trouble. Meanwhile na aban a wote so onim ne ekoso kra e hospital. Na ka ne 6 years as CEO untimi ntworo nko say we asa na ye fa repair amehwe de. Na menim na kese wo sefata say ye pamo pa wo sefata. Enti nsema ekokọ si ewo ba bia kwa aban adwuma mu bebre na tese obi asori anu atwi nani tese ebegu egu enye owie a no asan ba beka se na Ghana de na mpanyifo omo hwe ye kra enimi se mpanyifo no omo nye correct bi asa but one kasa na yedi masisi adwuma mu ano na tese bibi touch me fa ho wo de ani se wo pay ya wo beje ne bosome obi okra wo ne hospital private hospital na kire se wo ba ya ne refer wo to na ono ne hospital na ono ne hospital kra ne se nurse ni ene wan ka se yempo na ko report na obeba be ha nurse ni yes abanya adwuma de ebegu egu enye hwe ene de to man we na e ka se fix the country, fix yourself. Say I'm fixing ourselves first. Yeah, means the country never fix it. Because I see you not fixing one. And 6 years on, na say CT scan, MRI, I say. And it's so be an emergency, you hear CT scanner, not see you. Then now, Becca, I say. Na say grana ka repair it, me repair ne yanka repair and boy. Na omra no me. There be mo de enyamwa. Because we are private hospital nti ebegu egu a enyehwe na Kevin Taylor so on the oya dead or na no ebeba abetu.
Something happened today and I'm so happy about it. The CEO of Tamale Teaching Hospital, Mate and Yesi Apamono and one no. And I saw a video of the health minister going to Tamale Teaching Hospital and what they went to see there, and they say the attitude of these people at the Tamale Teaching Hospital, no, the negligence on their part. How people are losing their lives, things they can do to make sure their lives are saved. You know, Oko Tamale Teaching Hospital. Some people think say they have this sense of entitlement. Say Yamomo position. So the process, the work, the ethics now somebody they have neglected that people losing their lives. And do you know what hurts? They are say the people working in these hospitals, you know, they are being paid by the people they are indirectly murdering because. So how about time about hospital now? Oh, here oxygen keke. The hospital has to make sure it is always having oxygen, making sure there are places for emergency. No, so about time now that stretcher sooner oh no. So about time the taxes they need to sanko vowi. At the end of the day, no, omumo yere ni omumba eco private hospital. It is despicable. It hurts because nipa na yadina ketua ana netwo etua we kano. Sa nipa ni wu and we ni etua ne ka every month and what they share yere ne ma. So Akando today. When he went to the Tamale Teaching Hospital, would say clear-cut negligence was displayed at the Tamale Hospital. And at the end of the day, as the health minister, he needed to take action because the president has given him an assignment. President Namade Jumasa Onye, so when Tunye delivered, the president will sack him as the health minister. So he needs to also exert all the powers that he have to make sure say Ejumana Oyeno, Ejumana Eden, Edimu Emma president to keep on Emma Ghana for Enya Hoto. So at the end of the day, the CEO of Tamale Teaching Hospital, the health minister, powers are President Ramano was sacking the CEO. This is the kind of governance we need.
Na ebinum na nam social media na adan na ti ese pamono na ka bia o de wani kwa akọhwe. Ebinum ebeka se na minister Akando wanya ade but so kwa no hu ne ma papa bia menyi ni se anko obe yesa okwa na odi na ni ko hu ye no so ebeka nti onso pa onso koho ebi na ekohwe ne ekoso na ose tesi anu omo se nurse hospital ho no omo se omo akoden strike we mutu onu na mo MRI ase CT scan ase ne yekoka mo ko strike won se yensa mfa CEO ne mra won yensa mfa ne mra CEO oto anu ma ene ma agi egu a mfa no ebegu egu anyahwe ne yede to ma na akọ obi krom da aka se obi krom die e what say adana yesuma enye ewo ma we musa yo medamase oba mama reflect comment na subscribe man.